Today, I'm going to demonstrate on how to replace and solder basic electronic components like the fuse. And based to our previous demonstration, we found out that this power supply has a problem, and that is a busted or defective fuse. So at this point in time, I will teach you the basic procedures on how to replace and solder or mount the basic electronic components like this. In doing so, the first procedure that you will do is to prepare all the necessary things needed. The soldering iron, then the soldering lead, and of course, our multimeter. Second procedure is you are going to insert the new and working fuse in our printed circuit board where our old fuse is located. Since the fuse is already inserted, the next procedure that you will do is to apply soldering lead on the top of its portion. Okay, next, the another end of the fuse. The next procedure that you're going to do is to check whether there is a continuity of the fuse connected in the printed circuit board. That is by using multimeter. Place the test rod to the end of the fuse while the other on the other end. You will observe that the needle of the multitester deflected from left to right. This means that the fuse is okay and it is now ready to use. And also, therefore, this power supply will be working properly. And this is Mr. Vito Alcantara, and welcome to my YouTube channel.